driving to Joburg tonight. When I get there, if I call you and you don't fucking pick up this phone, uzosola impilo yakho. Sazwan.
I understand why you're saying this, Tom.
No. I don't care if you understand or don't understand. You are doing your own things. And I told you, you don't do things in this house. Do you understand that? You don't miss Mamela Nandipha. The fact that you were upset and you blocked my number, that was the last time in your life a number. If you ever block my number, you will find you and your clothes on the fucking streets. You will never block me. I run this house. I suffer for this house. You will not block me. Do you hear me? I block me this time. I will drive to Johannesburg and I'll take your ass and I'll show you what I'm capable of. And if I ever fucking call this phone and you don't pick up, Nandipha, I don't want you to make me frustrated. I don't want you to make me angry. A long time. You go and do your own thing. Do you think I am stupid? Do you not think that I have a tracker on you? Do you not think I have people fucking following your fucking ass? Huh? Don't you think good I'm looking after your fucking safety? You think I don't know what you're doing?
I don't understand that shit.
So let me advise you for the last time. If I come to Joburg and you don't have your fucking affairs in order, you will regret it with your life. Do you hear me? Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
I hear you.
I will kill you and him. Do you hear me? I will fucking murder both of you.
Who's him?
Mamela, don't fucking raise me. Don't upset me. Yesterday you created a story. The other weekend, one tell you something. Unfortunately, I'm politically connected. It means that whoever is close to me, they will be tracked by my people. You are 7 on surveillance. If you didn't fucking know, now you know. Every fucking move you make, when you drive to Natai's house, when you drive to Matt's house, how long you stay there, I know everything. So do not piss me off. You take me as a fucking stupid son. They will be tracked by my people. You are 7 on surveillance. If you didn't fucking know, now you know. Every fucking move you make, when you drive to Natai's house, when you drive to Matt's house, how long you stay there, I know everything. So do not piss me off. You take me as a fucking stupid, simple man. I promise you on my life, you don't want to see the other side of me. I like you seeing the stupid me. Please don't want to see the other side. I'm begging you. Do not push my buttons. You are a wife in this house. You don't run shit. Do you hear me? You don't run shit. You, in this house, you are a wife. You submit to the rules of this fucking house. And you will not block, you will not delete, you will not do shit in this house. If you have a problem, take your shit and fuck off. If I catch you again doing what you are doing these days, don't think that two can play the game. Two can die. That's what I can guarantee you. Two will fucking die. If I fucking call you again and you don't pick up this phone, tell your fucking little dick man that I'll put that dick in your mouth. Cut off. Did you hear what the fuck I said? Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
I heard you.
Am I loud and clear? Nandipha, I will burn you with that fucking house in Hyde Park and your man. I'll go fetch him and I'll put him in that house.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cellular. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. Dr. Nandipha Magudumana might have been under duress the whole entire time, because in that audio, Thabo is heard saying he knows Dr. Nandipha's movement and that he is connected to the most powerful people and that he will delete her if she does not listen to him. People on social media have been divided as to whether that audio is authentic or not. People are saying that Dr. Nandipha might have recreated that audio together with Thabo so that she can get squared off free. You guys, others are saying that she could have really done all those things because she feared for her life and the life of those close to her. There is an article whereby Dr. Nandipha told the Citizen newspaper that she was being held by Thabo against her will. And also, you guys, why would someone like Nandipha, who has a medical career, kids and family risk everything for a man. It clearly does not make sense at all, because I too believe that she was being blackmailed or under some sort of a duress, you guys. Now, anyways, please do share thoughts down in the comment section below.